Hi guys, thank you so much for clicking and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can make this mask. I saw it on a friend's WhatsApp status and I felt like it was weird and beautiful at the same time. So just comment below if you think it's a hack or a work or if you can wear it. Yeah, so let's get into the video. I'm going to cut a fabric from this skirt that I no longer wear. So if you watch my previous video on how to make a mask, I'm just going to use the same process. Sketch the shape of my mask, cut it, and then sew some bands on it. After I made my mask, I went ahead and cut another piece to make a bow tie. this is the mask. I'm supposed to iron this part so that it, you know, just to make it flat, but we don't have power right now, so I can't iron it. So I'm supposed to iron right here just to make it flat and nice. So let's just try it. And then these bands are too loose. They're too loose and long, so I have to like just make a knot right here to make them tighter. So just did that. So let's try it.
You're looking cute.
Oh my god, guys, I love this mask. And then there's a space right here so I can just talk.
Breathe.
Breathe. It's breathable.
Comfortably.
Yeah. Put it on your hair here. But I'll have to stitch it. I'll have to stitch it on the cap again, like on the side right here, just to make it stable, because right now it's shaky. You can also watch my next video on how to make a mask from socks. So that was it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Just comment below if you love this video, if you can try this DIY. And yeah, so that was it for today, guys. See you in my next video. Bye.